I'm new to Alabama. I'm a transplant from Florida. I've been here 6 months. I've been trying to get a divorce from my husband, but he will not give me a divorce. He's been contesting it. The second part is that we have 2 children. We have 2 adopted children. I have a protection order that protects my children and myself from my husband. So I have full custody of them right now. And I wanted to know if I could get child support for them. And also, we have property together that's in Florida. We own a home in Florida. My name is listed as number 1 on the deed. He's the secondary borrower. I don't know how that works. But I have not been in the home for 6 months because of the volatile situation that was going on there, and I've had to move here. And also, the last one is my taxes. How do I go about filing my taxes? Seeing is that I'm separated from my husband, but we still have the property, we have the children, and I'm no longer in the home with him.
All right,
Okay.
so start at the top.
Start at the top.
Work your way down.
The first thing you said was you were new to Alabama and you'd been here for 6 months. Alabama has a residency requirement that says you must be residing in Alabama for at least 6 months before you file for divorce. So it sounds like you may meet the residency requirements for Alabama in order for you to file your divorce here in Alabama. The second thing is, and you said your husband is not willing to give you a divorce. Well, in Alabama, your husband can't stop you from getting divorced. All he can basically do is delay it by contesting the divorce, but he can't stop you from getting divorced in Alabama. You've got 2 children you said that were adopted. If they were adopted by him, they're just like his kids. As part of your divorce filing, you can ask for child support, or if you decide that you don't want to file for divorce right away, you could still go to the family court in Jefferson County and file for child support that way without having filed for the divorce case. The property issue, that's going to be something that the divorce court, I think, would seek to settle upon the filing of the divorce. You're going to have to present that testimony and evidence to the judge, and the judge can help, or the judge can decide on how that property should be equitably divided. And fourth, the tax consequences, I think, from the standpoint of you and your husband and the income, it sounds like it could be an accountant issue, but to tell you how to deal with how you file, whether you file single, if your husband's not cooperating with you, I'm assuming you're going to have to file single, but I would, at this point, probably talk to a tax professional as it relates to dealing with the tax part.